seen the South Park movie?
What?
Blame Canada. Blame Canada.
Yeah. Ah!
Hi. No. Is that on?
No.
Is that thing on?
Oh.
My mom was telling me that she's looking at all these pictures. Christine, I swear you were really happy. You look really happy. Pictures of me. Like my mom was going through our photo albums. And so she was telling me that I was happy at once.
That's tight.
That's what's up. We're talking to this kid over there and you're really nice to him. So nice. Something that was so nice. Like, you're awesome. But you said like fucking awesome.
Monkey.
Yeah. I don't have a favorite song. Hey. You go, what is recession? It's been 24 hours since I've smoked weed.
So-
Kick turns.
Oh.
Like, look, they make it look so easy.
Lying.
Oh, team.
I'm only 11.
No, you're not, dude.
Dude, yeah, I am.
You're 11 and you're in 7th grade. You're a prodigy.
Unless you turn
Yeah.
like 12 in a week.
I'm 11.
What happened to the dick on your board?
I couldn't skate it without like vomiting.
Wait, you don't like dicks?
I'm not on my boards really.
Dude, Emily.
How bad her acne is.
Oh my God!
Matching.
Stop it!